Ditch the bulky fold-up era and install a permanent clothesline to your caravan or RV awning. It's one of the best mods you can make for simplifying life on the road. Installation takes under an hour and you can find all the supplies at your local hardware store, or buy a pre-made kit, link in the description box below. Tools. The tools you'll need for installing a DIY caravan awning clothesline include a drill bits, Nico marker, ruler or measuring tape, a pop rivet gun and 4 pop rivets, open aluminium 6.4mm. Materials. The materials you'll need include 2 cable saddles, 2 cable clamps, stainless steel cable, an iron eye turnbuckle, plus 2 anchor thimbles. Step 1. Mark your positions. Use a Nico pen to mark exactly where you want your clothesline to attach to on each awning arm. Step 2. Pre-drill the cable saddle holes. The cable saddles are the brackets you'll be attaching to the awning arms, which you'll be hanging the clothesline cable from. Hold one cable saddle against the place you've marked on one awning arm, then pre-drill the holes for the cable saddle. Repeat on the second awning arm. Step 3. Put turnbuckle onto cable saddle. Slip the turnbuckle onto the cable saddle on one of your awning arms, and secure the cable saddle in place with pop rivets. Step 4. Put cable clamp onto clothesline cable. Thread a cable clamp onto one end of the clothesline cable. Step 5. Put anchor onto turnbuckle. Slip an anchor thimble over the turnbuckle eye. Thread the clothesline cable through the anchor thimble, then poke it through the cable clamp, allowing a little bit of excess. Step 6. Tighten nuts and trim clothesline cable. Once the cable is through the cable clamp, tighten the nuts. Trim any excess cable and wrap some tape around the sharp end. Step 7. Pop rivet second cable saddle. Pop rivet the remaining cable saddle to your second awning arm, as per your measurements where you've pre-drilled the holes. Step 8. Thread cable clamp onto cable. Thread a cable clamp onto the other end of the clothesline cable. Step 9. Put anchor thimble over cable saddle and thread cable. Slip an anchor thimble over the cable saddle on your second awning arm, then thread the remaining end of the clothesline cable through the thimble. Don't forget to poke the excess cable through the cable clamp. Step 10. Tighten nuts and trim cable. Tighten the cable clamp nuts and trim the excess clothesline cable. Wrap some tape around the end of the cable to secure any sharp edges. Step 11. Tighten clothesline cable. Wind the turnbuckle to tighten the clothesline cable. Take the slack off the cable without winding it up too tight, otherwise you'll pull the awning arms in and put pressure on them. Now you're ready to start hanging wet washing on your new clothesline. For more caravanning tips, head to myrigadventures.com.